close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we're going to be playing some more Valorant. I thought of a challenge idea. It's Revolver only. I forgot what they call it now. Sheriff or something, they call it like that. So we're going to be doing Revolver only. See how we do on that. And I've not looked at the poll yet, but I'm going to do that soon. My Discord's almost ready. Who are we going to be? Brampton is pretty good. What was I saying? I can't record Fortnite anymore because it just doesn't run anymore. Even if I have OBS of just Fortnite open, it doesn't run very well. It just lags all the time. So we can't record for any Fortnite anymore. Maybe in the future, but not now. So the main series at the minute is going to be Apex and Valorant. I'm enjoying them a lot. Like I said in the last video, let me know if you guys want me to play any other games. I'll see if I can play them. Yeah, and let me know any challenge ideas for like Apex or Valorant. You know, like Apex, it could just be like wingman only, like the pistol, something like that. You know, cool challenges. So yeah, let's just hop straight into a game. So hopefully we can win with. Hopefully we win some rounds with it, because then I can buy all my abilities and some shields. Because if we keep dying, all we're gonna have to spend is the 800 for the revolver, and we won't be able to afford any shields or anything. Enemy spotted. You get the revolver from here. It's not that bad.
Enemy spotted. Spike carriers down. I have the spike.
Shut that main door.
Trained you.
Alright, let's go. Plan.
Spike planted.
Unholy no.
Enemy spotted. Enemy spotted.
One enemy remaining.
Where is he?
Last player standing.
She must be low. Nice. Okay. They're gonna come around this corner and they're gonna get a surprise when they see me.
Gotcha.
Alright, let's go, go, go. Revolver only. May I remind you? 2 kills. Not the best. Ow!
Our spike carriers down.
Oh!
I'm saving.
So, yeah. Smoke screens. So, we just have one there, one there. Phoenix, stay with me at B.
Don't get rusty.
Yeah, there we go.
Smoke's down. Molly.
Molly!
Fire in the hole.
Okay. Shouldn't be wasting ammo like that, should I? Got a plan.
Open up the sky.
Prepare for hellfire. Got hurt. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Last player standing.
Enemy
One
down.
enemy remaining.
89, minus 89, minus 89 on A.
Right, guys.
Spike planted.
Adab.
Oh no! Let's get the mully.
Don't hold back.
Go B, go B, go B.
Molly.
Mully. Okay, that was a nice shot.
Smoke's down.
Right, we got enough for our ability. Let's just chuck it
Open
there.
up the sky.
Honestly, I can't see.
One enemy remaining.
Down.
Yo, let's go. Come plant, we'll defend.
The killer's
Okay, okay.
Right, what's this?
Spike planted.
Dim beacon down.
Stim beacon. I don't know what a stim beacon does. I think it might increase my health or damage or something like that. Yes, let's go. Let's go.
Just like we practiced.
What? First of all, how did the Vandal gain my inventory? Second of all, what was that scream by that dude then? What the heck? What? I don't want a Vandal! Stay there. I don't want a Vandal. It's defeating the objective, man. Let's go again. Let's have 1, 2, 3.
Begins. Molly.
One enemy remaining.
I don't want that. I'll. I got a lot of money.
thank you.
Just requested it.
I need a drop. Cheers.
Okay, I'm just gonna stay here and hope everything will be okay.
H3.
Come here, guys.
Enemy
H3.
spotted.
Fire in the hole!
Respawn. Right.
You will not kill my ally!
Last player standing.
Oh, 8 kills! Damn, we're leading with the revolver. Let's go. Ah, unlucky. Okay, 8 kills. We're leading with the revolver, guys. You know, thought pistol. If a headshot and a headshot fits 1 kill. Oh god, I can't concentrate. Smoke screen.
Smoke's down. Molly.
Oh. No. Oh, I got a kill with my melee. 9 kills. Okay, I reckon we. Yeah, I think we can definitely get 12. Let's see if we get 15. 15, and I'll be happy. And we have to win the game. Otherwise, I'm gonna be. You know, I'm gonna try and win the game. 3-3 at the minute. You know. Ha! Rip. Rip Phoenix. Ready. 1, 2, 3.
Let me meet.
Xiao.
Meow meow.
You okay there?
Smoke's down.
Come on, let's go.
Molly.
Woo, that was close. Right, we're gonna do
Open
that.
up the sky.
Yes, let's go. Oh god, she was literally just standing there. Okay, we've got 10 kills. I reckon we can get 15. I reckon we get 5 more. It's the gold kill. And this is just with the sheriff, and honestly, I never thought I was this good with it. Molly! It just sounds funny.
Dim beacon down.
Oh! And I keep forgetting that like everyone else has got like guardians and bulldogs or whatever, so they can just like burst my head off.
I have this.
Put them all down.
Smoke's down.
Omen mid minus 100. Left,
Last player
flash there,
standing.
flash there.
For the
Rounds in.
switch.
Either spend all your money or give it to me. Good calls either way.
I've got cash. Anyone need something?
If anybody needs anything, I can buy, cause I've got loads of spare money. Just request it and I'll buy it, yeah.
It's okay, it's okay. Boom.
Bro, well, all the money goes next round anyway.
Matter.
I can buy you anything.
Bulldog.
What is she
Who trained you?
doing? Lucky shot.
Molly.
Molly!
One enemy remaining.
Dim beacon here.
Ooh. She's at B, camping. Oh, see you alright.
Looks like I
Nice. Alright, 4 rounds behind. Oh, we're on 11 kills. We've got to get to 15, guys.
Switching
Gotta
sides.
do it. Get some light. Sell them light shields. Get that. We got nothing else. We gotta survive. We gotta buy. We got to survive. I'm shutting the door because I ain't letting anybody through. 30 seconds to wait. Oh no. So I'm gonna look at the results after I've made this video. Obviously, I can't do Fortnite, so it'll be like, obviously it's gonna be either Fortnite or Apex if anybody's voted on it. But you know, I'm just gonna, if the results are like even, I'll just like do a couple videos Valorant, a couple videos Apex, as I've been doing at the minute. I can't even shut the door. Why can't I shut the door?
Wait.
What?
We'll come back.
This is a nice little space. But I'm not gonna use it. Let's get that door shut, let's go.
That's
I was just, oh, God. I am, after Alan,
Fire in the hole!
Alright. I'm not dead yet. I would be dead by now. Good sign. Oh! I mean, nice, we won and all, but like, I needed that kill. Flipping heck. It's just so sad, guys. I'm terrible at the game.
I need a drop.
There you go. There you go, Phoenix. You're good, so you deserve it. Fight! Ooh!
Lodi. Jasnati.
Phoenix. Right, we best be running over here. That shut him up though.
The hunt begins.
I was so close. I was really close. Really, really close. No! Right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
No.
Are you on some like special drugs or something?
Yes.
I don't know what to say to that one.
Together.
Right. We'll go here.
Open up the sky.
Yes, we got a kill! Let's go!
No.
Oh my god, Phoenix, I love you. I don't care if you're a boy or a girl, I'll flipping love you. Okay. Ooh. Oops, wrong one. I keep doing it wrong. Let's go. Flippy deck omen.
Love you too.
Yeah, I love you, Phoenix.
Pedo, pedo.
They're at B, help me! They're at B! B, help me.
Fire! Enemy spotted.
Ah!
Bash good.
Molly. Stim beacon here. Smoke's down.
I'm just trying to get lucky, guys.
Last player standing.
Oh. Oh no. Oh, let's go. Come on. Why is the kill thing showing up for me, but I don't really care. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, let me guys know if you like the half an hour videos, or do you want me to just stick with the like 15-20 minute ones?
This is gonna be fun.
I mean, I'll do whatever you guys like, but it's easier for me to do the 15-20 minute ones just for the fact that it takes less time to edit.
Enemy spotted.
The
She's there, she's there.
Okay. Yeah. And if it's gonna be like recording a 40-minute one, it's gonna take me to get it down to half an hour. I gotta watch it all, make sure it's alright. Cut down all the horrible bits. Gotta add some like color gradient and some stuff like that. And then
One
obviously
enemy
add
remaining.
my intro and outro. So I gotta, yeah, cut out the bits that aren't good for video, gotta add all the color gradient and stuff. Intro, outro, little bits like on one of my Valorant videos, I was like, I died there, and I did like a stop thing and some sound effects and stuff. They can take things.
There you go. Take it down. Just like
Oh, I don't want that. I'll say it after this round, 'cause I can't concentrate, man.
Last player standing.
Sorry, guys.
Attackers win.
What's the point in that? What was I saying? Yeah, gotta do all the color gradient, intro, outro, stuff like that. Sometimes it can take me. It depends. Like, if it's a shorter video, it can take me about an hour to think, and then maybe half an hour for a thumbnail. And obviously, it has to process and upload on YouTube. And add like the cards at the end, and sometimes I do polls or whatever. But yeah. So if you did enjoy the video, leave a like, subscribe, drop a comment. My Discord's almost ready. I've literally just got to do the rules and some custom roles, and it'll be done. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.